song from Sweeney Todd, which is on the list. And it's about a girl who is trapped. She's held captive by a wicked man who wants to marry her. And she's singing to these birds, wanting to know how they can sing when they're trapped too and long to be free. Finch and Linnet, bird, nightingale, blackbird, how is it you sing? Oh, can you jubilate, sitting in cages, never taking breath? Outside the sky reads memory, just beyond the walls. How can you remain staring at the rain, flooded by the sun? Constantly floating, is it rejoicing or merely hallowing? Are you discussing or fussing or simply dreaming? Are you crying?